Professor.
Yes, Tokyo.
What are we robbing?
The Royal Mint of Spain. Colonel, we have a visual on the interior.
They made us wear the same masks and gave us guns. No one knows who's who.
It's a mounted Browning machine gun. Those motherfuckers.
Don't come in.
Deputy Inspector Angel realized that they had lost another battle. Those creepy masks meant that they were sacrificing 2 men. Also, it meant that the mastermind of the heist was smarter than the police, National Intelligence, and the Intervention Unit. And when they have that advantage, you run.
Suarez, do you copy? They're using frequency blockers. I think we'll lose communications.
Thank you for your interest in helping, but we have trained people here among us. My friend the nurse. Are you better now?
Yes, I am, thank you.
I'm glad. I'm sorry I can't see you out, but you're in good hands. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
The Valencia plan has now been initiated. Showtime.
Hostages. The penal code states it's 6 to 10 years for every 1 kidnapping. Then let's not forget they're shooting at the police officers. That's 6 to 8 years for each officer. The minimum that a judge or the district attorney can offer you without mocking the law. That's 173 years. So don't be fooled. Look, criminal codes are the game rules of every country. Nobody is above that. None of us.
I want you to tell me the name of the professor. Give me a name and a number, and I promise you will have a future.
A name and a number. Grab a pen and paper. My nutsack! Suck on that!
Son of a bitch.
Listen, in this world, everything is governed by balance. There's what you stand to gain and what you stand to lose at this moment. They think they have nothing to lose. And when you believe you've got nothing to lose, you're overconfident. Good. We'll be the ones that are going to show them just how much they have to lose. Know that the horse was hollow and filled with Greek soldiers. That night, the Trojans lost the war. And that's exactly what we're going to do. You see, being interrogated
professor had made himself look like human waste. But he needed more than that to win this game.
It's him. It's him!